everyone, it's Amber Love and I'm back with another video. And in today's video, as you can see by the title, is going to be sponsored by Bileaf. Here they sent me 3 packs of the spring twist hair, and in the packs it came with these cute little jewels. Those little clips that I just showed you, they're still in my head. And then here we have this little pamphlet. I got it in the color D&L, dark and light wine, so it's like a red bluish type of color. So they also provided me with a discount code for you guys. You can just use this code here on the screen to receive 15% off of this already low price for the spring twist. So please be sure to watch the video the whole way through. Go ahead and use that discount, and I'll see you guys at the end of the video. I didn't want to put too much product on my hair, so I didn't really use like any gel or pomade to lay my hair down, so that's why I probably don't look as shiny as you guys would expect it to look. But like I said, like this is my first time trying it, so I will get better as I keep practicing. Now my process for actually getting the hair, like the synthetic hair, is pretty simple. I only use one strand just so it looks more natural, and all I would do is just take that one strand and just split it into 2. That was literally all that I did. I did it from the bottom of the curl to the top, and from the bottom to the top, and then I pulled apart the middle. Sometimes it would snag if I did it too fast, but other than that, it was pretty simple and easy. Like, this is not really a tutorial. This is just me showing you guys what I did, because I'm still learning. So I mean, you could take what I did and take away from it. But yes, I apologize if any of you guys thought this was a tutorial, because it's not. But as I get better, I will be making like a fully detailed tutorial video. I did do a passion twist video, and I think that was more so like a tutorial. So if you guys want to watch that, you can go ahead and watch that. I'll link it in the description. And yeah. like one pack. Like I literally just got to the second pack in my head. That's crazy. Da-da-da. Now this is what it looked like when I was all done. Like it kind of came together pretty well. Now the flowers in the background and my hair matching was not something I did on purpose. Just so you guys know. So this is just what the color looks like on my head. I'm pretty sure if somebody had like black hair or another hair color, it would look a little different, but that's what it looked like on my head with the blonde ombre look I got going on. And the look probably took me about 5 hours. I did stop. I started at nighttime and then I finished like in the morning. I was done by 3 o'clock, I believe, or 2 o'clock. And yeah, like it's been holding up pretty well. It's like an easy, lightweight look. Like I love the hair. I would definitely be getting some more hair from them soon. Like you guys should definitely take them up on their offer and take the 15% off using my code. I'll link it in the description so you guys don't forget. It comes from Amazon, so you know it's gonna be pretty quick. Like I think they sent it to me like literally I got it a week later. So yeah, and it's a pretty affordable price that you can't beat. So if you guys haven't already, please be sure to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and comment down below. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.